Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In here, we will discuss about propagation and spread of weeds. Before that, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Aditya Rautama. Student ID number is 133200090, and my partner is Fajri Amirul Anas. Student ID number is 133200091. Weeds can reproduce and the seed can move everywhere. Weeds can even move from one area to another. This can occur because of the spread of weed seeds, which causes this weed to reproduce rapidly. We will talk about weed propagation and spread of weeds. Next, propagation weeds. Weeds are able to reproduce vegetatively and generatively with the resulting seeds. Vegetatively, among others, by rhizoma, stolon, and bulbus. Breeding through spores is generally carried out by the fern nation, while seed propagation is mostly carried out by seasonal weeds and several biennials. Generative propagation. Flowering for most annual weeds begin 5 weeks after planting and coincide with rapid production of tillers, shoots, and leaves. The length of the propagation period is quite long, and the flowers are produced continuously. Consequently, the ripening of the seed is also continuous. A unique feature is in contrast to plant where the seed ripen almost at the same time. Influencing factors flowering and seed production. First, the length of the day. In Rhodboulia wheat, flowering increases in day length for at least 28 days. Extending the length of the day will increase the fertility of the seed, so that the number of sterile flower per flower stalk increase. Second, availability of nutrients. Availability of nutrients and adequacy of source and growth facilities for wheat for vegetative growth are critical factors affecting reproductive capacity. In the condition of intense competition for nutrients, water, light, and a place with plants, the reproductive capacity of wheat will decrease drastically. Third, temperature. Temperature has different effect on sexual propagation of wheat, and also affect to physiological and biochemical process in wheat bodies. The direct effect of temperature on flowering and seed production is related to the response of the pollination process to change in temperature. Vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is the principal reproduction for most annual weeds. Weeds that reproduce vegetatively are difficult to control because many have dormant vegetative organs in the soil. Like sexual propagation, vegetative propagation can also be started during the early growth phase of the plant. There is stolon. Stolon is stem that grow and spread on the ground. Grady is composed of sections. A segment attached to the soil will form roots and grow new shoots. For example, Paspalum conjugatum and Digitaris sanguinalis.
Next, rhizoma. Rhizoma is a modification of the stem that grows creeping beneath the soil surface. One of the visible characteristics of rhizomes is the presence of segments, so that each segment can grow new individuals. For example, Panicum repens and Acropyron repens. This picture of Panicum repens. Next, layer proofs. These proofs also arrangement the multi-layer that is composed on leaf that has been become thick, soft, and fleshy is part tubers that save substance for reserve. Meanwhile, the trunk alone only is a part that small on part under tuber layer that on among layer the excess shoots are called grow or trunk that shorten have layers fleshy. For example, Allium venale. Factor affecting vegetative propagation. The first, there is a soil texture. For example, sorghum halopense with rhizome production is referred to be twice as much as sandy clay than heavy soil. The second is a length of day. The length of day is also important in vegetative multiplication as well as on sexual multiplication. Long administration of short days stimulate the formation of tubers, spurs martinius. The next, light intensity. The intensity of light can affect the multiplication of a sexual through its influence on the accumulation of dry matter and other physiological processes. Spread of bits. The spread of bits from one place to another can occur through on activities with the help of nature or with the help of other creatures. One with the strike itself. The type of dirt within the Leguminosaceae family is able to carry out its own activities that spread its offspring from seeds. Leguminosaceae seeds that have been dried, causing the pods to burst so that the seeds are thrown out. For example, Mimosa pigra and Crotalaria juncea. Next, natural. In the first wind, the speed with the help of wind can reach a very long distance. Speed in this way occurs in types of weeds that have sets and are equipped with tools for the speed of. The second of water. Water flow can bring weed sets to spread elsewhere. The third soil. The spread of weeds can be done with parts of weeds above ground and underground. The above ground part is by seeds, so spore, and piece of stem, while the part is underground by rhizoma, gragi, tubers, and roots. Next, undercreature. Undercreature. The first by mammals. With sets attached to the outside of an animal's body can spread a wheel called epizootory. The second is by birds. Birds that eat the slimy part of the seeds cause the subsequent setting. By humans. Humans deliberately bring weeds because of the other purpose. For example, because of the beauty of flower, mint, or ornamental plants.
Thank you. That's all from us. We are so sorry if there are bad translation or hard to understand. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.